Now here is the case. A year by now, President Boone Dino, or my process is meaning, so we resign as presiding member. Yes, concerning a 2 months a year swearing in New Year. We were in October. RCC Jina so edge budget. Here is the case. You need presiding member, and as MC, you need 2 minutes and name a free meeting, and I don't give approvals automatically. So what I said, assembly cannot say you need presiding member. We are not going to run. And when your first time, so you submit a budget,
But the finance and administration go through.
Oh, my approval to the budget.
That is the finance and administration.
Precisely. Executive committee, which is the next highest body, next to the General Assembly, also my approval to the budget. At these levels, in our assembly members, no. And you here, no. And now, you're the presiding member, no. Yes, for what I didn't call RCC.
Yeah, Akoma betray. Mama so landing answer. Maminti.
Now, at the end, yes, and can the papa more? A presiding member, no. I was saying a budget and a assembly for ratification. In fact, that ratification, you are just informing members, say budget, and I'm the lacuna, and I say, to better any presiding members, the budget, we are only informing you. Once you inform them, OBN changes there because Ministry of Finance upload the budget, on Christmas already. It would mean yes, the only opportunity I will be changes when I will be review.
Okay.
And that opportunity offered itself. Say a budget review. And a budget review no. Yeah, the 2022 budget, the main one assembly, now the difficulty finally your engineer approving. And the revised one, and the assembly, the 2 documents in the before the house. And other assembly members need to say, no, you have approved 2022 answer. And a house, able to. But you don't forget, a majoritarian practice, and a majority decision, Hello?
Yeah, Maminti.
A majority decision. Assembly members, 24 other members able to win. So a motion was moved and they adopted the 2 documents. The one now, assembly members and your finance national. And the revised one, we gave approval to the 2 documents. And once assembly take a decision, when I say that is the highest political and also the highest decision making body are taking a decision. Out of 26 assembly members, they move 24 and say Yama approval. Press conference. And you have people supporting this.
Okay. Maybe Opoman, that is a bit of clarification.
Bobby, totally wrong. When correcting Maxwell, FNA, according to the Act, only authority to approve budget or make a recommendation. Executive committee, any authority to approve budget or make a recommendation. That is why when you come to our system, the FNL was deliberative function. He always discuss when you go to the executive committee or deliberative and executive, but they don't have the legislative function. Because when you approve something, it becomes law.
I don't dispute that. I don't dispute that.
You know better.
I don't.
Executive committee have no right to approve any budget.
Okay.
Budget regional coordinating council, it has to be approved by the assembly because the regional coordinating council also have only 3 functions. That is monitoring, coordinating, and supervise. They don't make laws, so they will collect the budget to the finance. They don't change it. And we'll say, budget here, you can't change. Like any budget review here then. Eco finance, it doesn't mean anything. When you are doing a budget review, you can change your system, add money or subtract money. Now they come back to finance. They don't correct the one thing to us. You're not carrying on.
Oh, okay. He shouldn't claim the local government him too much. What I say. One, I agree with him. Say FNA need the final approval. 2, I concede say executive committee need the final approval. 18 year stages are like you say and general assembly never final approval. But you need presiding member. Where in the law I say we need presiding member MC in meeting. So again, I know a person can happen at that. Going by the
So Maswa, in all the discussion,
okay. Assembly no. This is a review and I'll be a review. Why? I said, I'm a kind of one piano. I say no budget cycle, no. After said next month, we are going to give approval to our budget because we have the full complement of our assembly. Next year, that's what person changes the budget review. And that is what we did. And you know how I'm saying, what illegality has the assembly committed? If you bring that space, never that no. Was he saying say and can 40 arms, young for budget to be uncle. Assembly no will sit idle. May I change the next window before we give approval to our budget now.
So as an August, I'm more approval and review the previous budget.
Precisely because that was the only opportunity I'll bring here. So as I said this year, 2023 budget.
Now, tell my elected no say you swear in new presiding member.
No.
Okay, until that one the last time when you presiding member.
Don't forget say and yet they no you swear me
okay, until when you new presiding member when?
Forgetting the date, but it was in October. Once the Miankasa swearing in was done in October.
Okay.
What you say?
Yeah.
It was that same October
now then last at least somewhere January, December more to me approve now for almost a year on.
January you are not allowed after was submitted.
Okay.
The Ministry of Finance. RCC the Ministry of Finance. The Ministry of Finance at the Parliament for approval. Parliament and silly ordinary. So you are not allowed. You don't have that opportunity to say January for approve your budget.
I see. Oberman.
You will mention. You will take it to the assembly and inform them. Say, once that lacuna happened, and after that space was created, now you need the full complement of the assembly. No, you submit your budget, no echoing. So you only inform them.
Okay.
Assembly no cannot make any change.
But Opoma were dissenting.
Any legal position, where in the act.
Okay.
Any law from party claim.
Thank you, Opoman. My that position. Yeah. Oh, you're coming now.
Order 2. So how can you approve 2022 budget, leaving the 2021? And when you do your agenda, August now, 2021 banza. Once in our Robert yeah, the Kodabo to approval budget with member presiding. Okay.
Exactly.
Yes, was part of this thing. Court and declare null and void for the budget. But the next year budget, then the assembly inquire about 10 o'clock. Our TUC workers can tell. Because now say approval some budgets now for the bonds to use any approval before the next budget. And in your tunnel. And you know, and you know, and Kobe, say assembly majority decision, and Chanyama, because assembly was run out the Ajuma. It is our mistake. That doesn't mean 26 assembly members, 24 approval. No money it was an intimidation, and on the approval, because you people are intimidating them. And you better say, you better report. It's totally wrong. You can't work in a budget and any approval.
I see, but
on the 8th of October. And then of October, now you're presiding member. October, November, December, January. Or something approval budget January. Why the catch you? Budget, what situation? Budget, disaster, budget, emergency situations, you also you need to go and rectify and approve it. Now, Why the Catanza? And the body, or the Nyansa and Abina, Suame, and Yamna. So they are family members to rise up. Either than that, so to be I to go against them. You can't jump on that because I'm a chief executive.
I see. The serious allegation I want to make. Mama Peke Yaya. Mona, I think are you do you feel vindicated considering the Akoma and the Abetusui?
Well, here vindication. Now, what me catch you say, you were local government experts outside the Omuya judges. Omuti the Hekano. Kofi na MCE can be say you need presiding member. My man actual date 3rd February 2022. Yes, very in presiding member. 3rd February 2022. Could you try to ho? And if we summon everything to August, that presiding member no, and me organize Amia Unity, Amianji.
Maybe a poor man make allegation be say, yeah, the chairman Sabun. Is that the case?
I mean, there, Kofi. Yabako.
Oh.
Yabako Kofi.
Ade Nasawa.
Oh yes. Bio Kofi. Even when no platform so. Obi MG allegation say na yan can say a leader. And I'm saying let us your track record no. Ye ma leader copy. Na me press ade me wa ba be catch me say ensem na ye kan no. Me fa leader di ma me wan so sabi. Ne leader kwa ne catch say ye ntwintwen ye budget so abesi.
Okay. Thank you very much. Many Maxwell, who you solid intimidate your man?
Yeah. Let's say you were 26 assembly members.
Yes.
26 assembly. Let me make a home. Assembly member near MCE 27. But because I resigned as assembly member, so your assembly member may replace you. It's Yabeka 26. 24. I am no crow a take decision. Mienuna can also be intimidated. Could let me state on record and on authority and as a practitioner of local government. To say area 2023 budget in October. No. Say a year Parliament in November every year. January Assembly no will be project you cannot spend. This is another window to review your budget now between years. I'm saying this on authority. Number 2, Ministry of Finance, they will structure your budget. Say you upload you on gift. Now, spend it outside of budget. Because when you say no, it's punish for that.
Okay.
A buy any area MC, Wakodika. The dear by Auditor General's report, and now acquire a misappropriation or misapply to Canada. Because you are not the Obama or this one, it should be money.
So, from what you said, would this assembly in any illegality be? You are free.
They say almost one more court because you saw man quite by me. No, man can be about Mr. Man 1 minute.
Okay, quick one.
No, can be about Kojobon's base. Yeah, the case be called court for member presiding. And you may. Ghana be any honorable appear any education no kwakra. What you say? You call the member presiding on the challenge. Supreme Court ruled on the member presiding and not the budget. In fact, time of Supreme Court ruling by no crano. No budget year next another year. And that time our woman about budget approval. Sabreno. Then for regional minister, Kojobosu, resigning, regional minister, no buy, and sitting on that budget, and sitting on that budget. Budget a year can once was the budget before. It is almost one person quarter. I will encourage them to testify.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Pullman, we wrap up. Final comment.
Yeah, the budget and the court. Yeah, the court say member presiding and to me approve budget. And the court ruling budget no null and void. And then budget no for fraud under Alexander Akon. And Alexander Akon. And you know can work. Yeah, the court no court and declare budget and your budget what you do. And you for fraud. And you about 9 o'clock. How can mattress start lying like that? And now because of the position. And then you can know coffee. And the minister and then he has here, Alexander Akoma. I have the minute on my deck. Now I'm sign the minute them now. Now I'm sorry from the near class to do.
Okay. Opoma me da say anope ma me mfa munsi ha. Hi Akoma 87.9 FM. Of course, me mpotemu na ye de ebrema na Suame mpotemu na ijano ehuru wo tu and of course you can understand the fire. Will be the message about Kofi Kama is staring at all these assembly members. The step Kojubunsu from not working and posterity is judging all of us. Also, ubitimi the message about now I a part of the discussion. Me pacho o join you on Facebook page. I just get maminya message and while like a video on a page you know now comment